You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this ethno-religious group. If you want to learn more names from and words vocabulary from Arabic, including from Muslim religion, make sure to stay tuned. The Arabic pronunciation is as Durzi, Durzi. Now in English, the pronunciation, this group is pronounced as Druze. You could spell it D-R-O-O-Z or D-R-O-O-Z, Druze. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.